Exploring the network. Introduction. We begin this chapter with a look at the importance of network models, including the reasons for their modular network. A look at the OSI model stresses the importance of understanding the concept of layered communication protocol data units and the functions of each layer. Do not underestimate the importance of remembering not only the various functions of each, but also the protocols, data units, services, and types of equipment found at each layer. A look at the TCP or IP model provided a comparison with the OSI model, including the mappings between the layers of each. Examining the data encapsulation process helped to provide perspective on how a real network protocol goes about preparing data for network transmission. For the objectives of this chapter, upon completion of this chapter, we were able to answer these following questions. How do networks affect the way we interact, learn, work, and play? How do networks support communication? What is a converged network? What are the 4 basic requirements of a reliable network? What are the uses of various network devices? How do the devices and topologies found in a LAN compare to those found in a WAN? What is the basic structure of the Internet? How do LANs and WANs connect to the Internet? What impact do BYOD, online collaboration, video, and cloud computing have on a business network? How are networking technologies changing the home environment? What are some basic security threats and solutions to both small and large? Networks are all around us. They provide us with a way to communicate and share information and resources with individuals in the same location or around the world. This requires an extensive array of technologies and procedures that can readily adapt to varying conditions and requirements. For most individuals, the use of networks has become a daily occurrence. The availability of these networks has altered the way in which we interact with each other. Among all the essentials for human existence, the need to interact with each other ranks just below our need to sustain life. Communications is almost as important to us as our reliance on air, water, food, and shelter. Networks connect people and promote unregulated communication. Everyone can connect, share, and make a difference. So, we now stand at a critical turning point in the use of technology to extend and empower our ability to communicate. The globalization of the Internet has succeeded faster than everyone could have imagined. The manner in which social, commercial, political, and personal interactions occur is rapidly changing to keep up with the evolution of this global network. In the next stage of our development, innovators will use the Internet as a starting point for their efforts, creating new products and services specifically designed to take advantages of the network capabilities. As developers, push the limits of what is possible, the capabilities of the interconnected networks that form the Internet will play an increasing role in the success of these projects. This chapter introduces the platform of data networks upon which our social and business relationships increasingly depend. The material lays the groundwork for exploring the services, technologies, and issues encountered by network professionals as they design, build, and maintain the modern network. So networks support the way we learn, networks support the way we communicate, networks support the way we work. Among other essentials for human existence, the need to interact with others ranks just below our need to sustain life. The methods that we use to communicate are constantly changing and evolving, whereas we were once limited to face-to-face interactions. Breakthroughs in technology have significantly extended the reach of our communications. From cave paintings to the printing press to radio and television, each new development has improved and enhanced our ability to connect and communicate with others. The creation and interconnection of robust data networks has had a profound effect on communication and has become the new platform on which modern communications occur. In today's world, through the use of networks, we are connected like never before. People with ideas can communicate instantly with others to make those ideas a reality. News, events, and discoveries were known worldwide in seconds. Individuals can even connect and play games with friends separated by oceans and continents. Networks connect people and promote unregulated communication. Everyone can connect, share, and make a difference. Networks support the way we communicate. Networks eliminate geographic and time zone boundaries, allowing us to easily communicate with individuals from around the world. The globalization of the Internet has ushered in new forms of communication that empower individuals to create information that can be accessed by a global audience. Some forms of communication includes instant messaging, messaging such as texting, and both enable instant real-time communication between two or more people. Collaboration tools give people the opportunity to work together on shared documents without the constraints of locations or time zone. Individuals connected to a shared system can speak to each other, often across real-time interactive video. Encyclopedia, comprehensive resource, podcasting, peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer file sharing allows people to share files with each other without having to store and download them from a central server. The network of many sizes is small home networks. Small office and home office, medium to large networks. Ethernet 1. Ethernet 1's extend LAN access technology into the WAN. So DSL, Business DSL is available in various formats. A popular choice in symmetric digital subscriber lines, which is similar to the consumer version of this DSL, but provides uploads and downloads at the same time. Satellite, similar to small office and home office users, satellite service can provide a connection when a wired solution is not available. So that is all for today.